guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, it's all about how to make money online, tips and tutorials, and website review. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I'm on road to 1000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. On today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 websites that you can apply remote job that you can work from anywhere in the world. So make sure you keep tuned until the end. And I always advise my subscriber to learn a skill so that you can be able to make more money here online. And for that, I usually maybe recommend virtual assistant. There is more like design and coding, etc., etc. Also, there is freelancing, content writing, article writing. So it's so immense. So you can just choose the one that you are interested in doing and the one that you feel you're comfortable doing. Our first website, it's called We Work Remotely. For this, I'm specifically going to show you the one that you need to apply from anywhere in the world. So like this one, you see remote administrative assistant. As you can see here, it's a full-time and anywhere in the world. So let's just choose here. So as you can see here, we have the key responsibilities. You just need to go through them. The qualification, as you can see here, I think specifically what you have to have experience with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Google. This one for administrative, it's so similar with virtual assistant. So I would advise you, if you have maybe have an online skill about virtual assistant, you can come here and apply. As you can see here, qualification, also a high diploma or equivalent administrative assistant or related fields are a plus. Yeah. How to apply? You just need to click on this link. Also, there are so many careers here. As you can see here, there is account manager, project manager, freelancing, freelance writer, content writing writer, senior data analyst, but this one is for Europe. So we're just going to specifically concentrate on the one written anywhere in the world. Yeah, as you can see. So if you have any online skill, you can come here. If you are maybe interested, you can just need to come here in search the one that you want. Maybe it's content writer, freelancing writer. Yeah. So our second website, it's called flexjob.com. So here you just need to scroll down and click here, work from anywhere in the world. As you can see, there is accounting, bookkeeping. So let's scroll and see what it has. So as you can see here, we are going to concentrate mostly on the online ones. So as you can see here, influence manager here, influence manager. As you can see, it's hybrid remote work, technical artist, account manager, agency, system administrator. So you just need to scroll to what you're interested in doing. But if you want to maybe to work on the one on US, Europe, for that you need to use a proxy or maybe a VPN. So just come to here, find your job that you're interested. As you can see, you can choose part-time and full-time. Also, as you can see here, there is temporary, freelance, remote jobs. Yeah. So, and our third one, it's called nodesk.co. So after you have come to this website, you just need to come here, scroll. As you can see here, it's lead backend engineer, remote, it's worldwide. Also here, you just need to search the one that you have the skill for. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you go through these 3 websites. So let me, as you can see here, Technical Writer, but here it's for iOS. Yeah. So see you guys in my next video, and thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Bye.